fellows people, this is Delphi again, and today we're going to talk about an interesting term called infatuation. Infatuation have a term say han define to tringai mamangda kaigumam ta hazaramge dudi adom se kaigumba relationship thiriba mi ama natraga relationship ta laiba mi ama oitardi sigi video se adongine aduga especially for those teenagers oitardi sigi videos skip to bigino. So how we would say first the sigi terms han define to say Oxford kimatungina an intense but short-lived passion or admiration for someone or something. Yam dikanba aduga kuina di chattaba mi amada natraga posak amada yam lupsanna ngauzabase sise infatuation kawe. Aduga anamba matamda akoigi teenage matamda thengarpa like first relationship or mana relationship first or something like that, like teenage matamda thengarpa relationship se anamba matamda infatuation sida build up tawbaneba. Sise comment to game them that kaigumba aina mi amase sigi surface level qualities haidi like magi mapan goba qualities like magi masak phajaba like magi appearance natraga mase like wangba or masak phajaba magi appearance natraga magi mapan thongdo ba qualities khara khatang yanga aina mi amase yam rupsan na ngawjarani ba aduga aina huziki mi sta ngawjaba matungina magi like aina fantasize tawrniba relationship ama se maga aduga huziki mi siga aiga relationship ta leba matamda aina huziki mi sigi individuality se sise kemta assume tawdabida aigi hana pre exist tawba aigi fantasy da leba aigi relationship to haidi huziki mi sta aina ure aduga aina ngawjare aduga aina wakhal da aina sagat khrabani na huziki relationship ama adugi relationship to fulfill tawna hotnaniba instead of building a relationship with that person in a reality taseng boina huziki mi duga relationship to build up tawgi mutta aina aiga wakhala fantasy ma sagat ani duga huziki fantasy sida mi siga relationship sa aduda fit in tawna hotnaniba aduna sumain tawraga sagalakpa relationship singja anamba matamda kuina chatkanteba so short lived oigaleba. Next expectation. I was giving me the yam expect of Niba. Hadi our relationship set two-sided or one-sided tamoniba. I know one-sided tamoniba. Like I know who's giving me the validation yam pound niba. You know how the I know mase hamada I know infatuated already to go in a relationship ama the ID or colors how carbonina. Now who's giving me the validation yam pound niba like aina pamjai aina acquire tawjagi khanba qualities in the huziki mi sigi validate yam tawhani ba like physically have or so I got me amasiga laire duna mai onda like I say validate tawhani ba like hadi phajaina validate tawhani ba or I say smart oina validate tawhani ba or well educated oina validate tawhani ba admana validation yamna sik tawni ba aina mo onda hadi validation adum pama laigani ba aduga amana hoziki mi na I attention am period I want to tan tan am I am enjoy tawni ba instead of giving my energy and time to that person hoziki mi sta ina agi energy agi time agi like attention je period ma se individually grow ibani je grow tawmina bagi mutane ko hoziki mi sta I tan tan na haning ba and I think I give me say first my surface level qualities kadang assume toraga aina hoziki mi say aina relationship ta like sa ado tardi mase sometimes I relationship ta like ado tardi maki like imperfections and flaws uba horani ba imperfection and flaws mi kudima ke like ni adu sing do aina magi adu correct tawna or adu chamdokna or adu da accept tawni mutta aina adu da ai ngasagi lairamba mangona lam interest mayam do adu do hangrani ba ai interest magi imperfections so ubada mangrani ba aduga relationship se like I give fantasy the labor relationship to ga aseng bada build up to relationship to gadi mano habi yar ba duna howziki relationship that yam tuna fail ogani ba like in the first month or first 3 months kumba yam tuna fail ogani ba na relationship se kuina shuta chat ba and kaigumba adom se teenage oiraba adom se school chaliba mi oiraba school chaliba angang am oiraba adu tardi aina hajaning buse kaina madamda sigi relationship love and all sidagi lapna layu adongi energy do adongi like yamna precious over energy singo sigi relationship ki matang ja matha sadna khotna mangan ganu aga adongi matam adagi adongi energy mayam do nasana than build up to do hona jo Kaigino hai matamda nanga teenage oiringai thengnaba relationship to adudo nangi like long term partner nangi teenage oiringai thengnaba partner do nangi long term partner nangi hai like marriage tawraga nangi long term partner do ada onthokpagi probabilities am nemeba aduna instead of wasting your time and energy on this relationship thing, utilize it to build yourself up. So that's it. Teenage oy tardi sidagi lap malai bro duga kaigumba adam say like serious relationship ta leiba natraga serious relationship ama thibi tardi. Make sure that you are not infatuated to your partner. So that's it for today. Aduga kaigumba adam na sigi video se or sigi content se kanai na can be tardi share it with your friends. Aduga if you have any suggestions, put it on your comment and kaigumba adom na aina kano topic amasda like content semaning tardi adu so haibiramo. And if you like the video, like it and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. And if you don't like the video, then there's also a dislike button. So that's it for today. See you again in the next video. Till then, keep reading, keep exploring, and stay fabulous.